Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I know I haven't vlogged much this week, and this is going to be a short one because I'm just on my way home from the gym. I joined the gym on Sunday. Today is Wednesday. I had a doctor's appointment today, and I left work after my doctor's appointment, so I got to the gym about 3:15 and worked out for about a half an hour. Actually, I did a half an hour on a bike, and then I'm now on my way home. It's almost 4, and I'm going to relax for a little bit, and then I'm going to make dinner, and I don't know what I'm gonna have yet. I think some sort of chicken something is what I'm thinking, but I'm not positive. It looks like rain, which is kind of a bummer. I'd like to take Taz on a walk, but I don't know that I'll be able to get that in. It's been busy at work. I haven't been able to do much, like as far as anything else. After work even, I've just been busy, like even at home and stuff. So sorry I haven't vlogged for a few days. I did get the rest of my coffee bar. It was delivered yesterday, but I haven't put it together yet, so I don't have that complete. Maybe this weekend I can get that done. Dennis is on call this weekend. He got a new truck. I didn't mention that. That's really cool. We're very happy about that. He loves it. It's some sort of Silverado 4x4 or something rather another. It's a pretty color. It's like a kind of like a greenish blue. I mean, it's not teal, but it's, I don't know, it's like a maybe like a cloudish kind of a color. It's pretty. Alex is doing great, trying to decide where he wants to go to college still. Katie's doing great. I haven't seen her for a little bit, and I miss her. But she is probably going to be here for my birthday, I'm hoping, which is March 11th. So I'm hoping that she comes for the weekend and I get to spend some time with her. I think we're going to go to dinner on that day, and Alex also has a thing at Xavier, not at Xavier, but for Xavier, that is at one of the restaurants close to us, and so I think we're going to go to that restaurant and just make that our meal. It's a Italian restaurant, so I don't know what I'm gonna order, maybe some meatballs or something, but it doesn't matter because really I eat so little it doesn't even matter. Food is like, it's weird, it's such a weird thing, but anyway, I don't want to like just post this vlog since it's very short, but there's lots of things going on. I just have been too busy to vlog. I know that I need to color my hair this week. I need to get my nails done this week. I called and made an appointment for Taz to have his nails done and have his bath and his playtime. That's going to be next week. And yeah, I can't think of anything else. I'm trying to think of anything else that might be pertinent, but that's all I can come up with right now. So I guess I'll let you guys go, but I really appreciate you, and I will keep this vlog and add to it. So I'll see you in a second. Bye-bye. Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I just looked to make sure that I started this thing, because the last couple of times I started to vlog, I talked for 5 minutes and then realized I didn't even have the daggone camera on. Whew. So it is Thursday after work. I'm headed home. It's crummy outside. It's 41 degrees. It's been rainy all day. It would be a great day for some soup or something, and of course I didn't put anything on. But I did come up with a menu plan for next week and kind of the week after a little bit, so that's good. And I have $200 worth of groceries in my cart, and I'll probably pick up those tomorrow or maybe Saturday morning. And then I also need to go to Target and get some stuff done. So I don't know if there will be a haul or not. I'm leaving work later than I usually do today. I don't think I'm gonna stop at the gym today. I'm just kind of pooped. I went to work at 6 and it's 4 now, so that's a 10-hour day. And I'm tired, so I think I'm just gonna go home and enjoy a little bit of quiet time while no one is in the house until Dennis gets home, and then I'll figure out dinner. I don't even think I have like a frozen pizza that I could throw in for him. Oh well, I probably have some hot dogs or something that he can have, and I'll just have a protein shake or something, I'm fine. That is a weird feeling, how fine I am about food now. Like, it doesn't matter what we have, really. I mean, I still like cooking food, and that's fun for me. I'm actually doing it more now than I was before, so that's kind of neat. I have some Foodie Fridays lined up for you and planned out, so that's exciting. And Kroger now carries the Real Good, like, pizzas and enchiladas. I haven't had them yet, but I have been told that they are good. So at least the pizzas are. They're a little pricey for what you get, from what I understand, but at the same time, for the price, for what you're getting, it's pretty decent. Instead of, if you guys aren't familiar with the Real Good foods, it's like they make pizza, but instead of a pizza crust, it's made out of chicken breast. So that's kind of cool. I'm gonna turn on the heat. So I think it's $5 or $6 per pizza, but right now at Kroger, at least at my Kroger, they have them on sale for $3. So that's a really good deal. Now, I think that they're kind of small, but I can't eat much anyway, so for me it's fine. Now, for somebody who hasn't had weight loss surgery, or who is just, regular eating, that might not be enough. But I did get a couple of the Supreme ones. Well, I have a couple of the Supreme ones in my cart because that's Dennis's favorite kind, and I figure that, maybe he'll like it. And the enchiladas come with 2, and I don't know how they're made. I don't know if those are made with chicken or not. I've heard mixed reviews about the enchiladas, so I only got one, but it comes with 2 enchiladas, so that'll be enough for me to try and Dennis to have, and that should be good. But whew. Let's see, what else do I know? I'm having my jewelry party tomorrow, and I am hopefully going to get this posted today or tomorrow. It's probably not until tomorrow, but either way, it will be in time for you guys to tune in to my live. I'm not doing it live. Go to Facebook and go to Cindy Lou Who, or Cynthia Lou Who. And I'll try to remember to leave this link below. But it's Cynthia LOOWHO on Facebook, and she is doing a live show with me. Well, for me, I'm the hostess, but she's doing it for the paparazzi jewelry, and I have done lots of hauls on those. If you guys aren't familiar with that, you can look at some of my hauls. There's some really great things, and they're $5. Nothing is more than $5. Every piece is $5. So, and every necklace comes with earrings. And then she has rings, like this ring is one of them, and they're all elastic so that they fit anywhere from a size 4 to a size 10, she says. And it's really beautiful jewelry for the price. It doesn't look cheap or anything. It's just gorgeous. So I hope that some of you guys can join, because I want you to get in on the $5 deal. It's a crazy to me. Now, for every 10 items sold, I do get a free item, but that's really not why I've done it. I've already been a great customer for her, and I just found it a few weeks ago, but I love it. So that's why I thought I wanted to host, so that I could tell you guys about it and you guys could join in if you wanted to. So that's tomorrow night at 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And she's in, I think, where is she? Washington State, I believe. So it'll be 5 o'clock her time. And it goes for about an hour. And what she does, just because I know that some of you had said you were a little nervous, what she does, it's kind of an auction style, but it's not an auction because you only pay $5. It's more of a first come, first serve kind of an auction. So let's try that again. She will show something and say, this is, like, for example, this ring. This is R14, and let's say she has 3 of them. The first 3 people to type in R14 in just the Facebook chat area, they get it. And there's a little form that you have to fill out if you're a new customer to her, so that you can put in all of your shipping information, and then she will send you a PayPal invoice, and then you pay that way, and then she ships it to you. And every piece is $5, and she charges a $3.95 shipping and handling fee. I think it's $3.95. It could be $3.99. Whatever. That's total. So no matter how many pieces you buy, it's $3.95 shipping plus the $5 for the jewelry. So I mean, there's tax on there too, but you have to pay tax. So, and I don't know if everybody has to pay tax. I don't know how that works, so I don't want to speak to that, but that's the government money. But yeah, it's very neat. Everything has been very nice. I have liked every piece that I've gotten. There was one piece that I'm not crazy about, and I might be able to change it to make it a little more something that I like it. There was one piece that I'm not gonna lie, it looked a little bit cheapo, and it had some red chain on it, and that's the part that looked kind of to me. But I have bought probably no less than 30 pieces, and that's the only one that I have said I mean, but I'm wearing stuff every day. I have this on today. It's like a scarf almost. It like just wraps around, and it has little, and it came with little earrings that have these little things. I have the ring on. I mean, I love it. It's beautiful jewelry. She has bracelets, earrings, necklaces, rings. This can be worn as a belt from what I understand. I haven't tried that, and that's not my style, at least not yet. So you know, I can never say never. Maybe one day I'd want to wear it that way, but it's really neat. I love the stuff. There's glitzy stuff, there's more plain stuff, there's just Aztec stuff and American Indian looking stuff, and it's just beautiful stuff. So I will stop rambling about that, but I really am excited. What else do I know? I have been watching a ton of TV, like YouTube and stuff, and I like it, and I love that I can do that, but I need to put a limit on it because I have been watching too much. So I'm thinking of limiting myself to, I don't know, maybe a certain number of videos a day or something like that. I don't know, I haven't figured it out, but I feel like I'm wasting time that I should be doing something creative. So I mean, it's okay. I'll show myself a little grace. It's okay. I mean, it's not like I'm missing important meetings or, you know, missing important family time, or it's usually my own time. It's just how I spend it. And I like to read, or I like to be creative, and I have not been doing that as much because I have been too busy watching TV, and that is not okay for me. It's okay to have it all, like a little bit of all of it, but I need to get into the reading again, and I need to be a little more creative. I haven't picked up my needles, my knitting needles, for a week or two now, and you know, that's just not, and I can do that while I watch TV. I don't know, I've just been watching TV, so that is not something I want to continue to do. So I am trying to balance that out. I have been cooking more, which I mentioned earlier, but that's a good thing, and I do like that, and I like making meals for my family and nutritious meals that I know I can eat. And although I'm eating such a small amount that honestly I could eat just about anything, because I have been released to eat just about anything, but I'm still not eating, like I'm not eating rice, I'm not eating bread, I'm not eating pasta, I'm not eating red meat yet. I just have not. I'm still taking it kind of slow, just to get to know my belly and let my belly get to know me, and you know, figure it out. And I don't want to introduce bad habits where, you know, my belly thinks it's okay to, you know, have whatever it is. Today somebody at lunch though did have some chips out on the table, and I thought, oh, and they were just plain Lay's potato chips, which I love, and I was like, oh, I want some of those chips, but I didn't. And actually, when I was saying that, I had to think about what it was that she had that looked good to me. But You know, so I don't feel like I'm missing out on anything. The weirdest thing is that I feel full so fast that it's bizarre. I mean, they say that we're cheap dates, and that is no lie. Like, honestly, I wouldn't even need to get my own meal. I could just nibble off of my husband's and be fine, which is what I say I need to start doing. But we've only been out, I think, twice now. We went to a Vietnamese restaurant and I had some pho, and I just had the chicken broth with the chicken. I didn't have any noodles, and I ate one little strip of chicken and a little bit of broth, and that's all I could do. And then we did go to a Mexican place once, and that didn't go so well. I ordered the chicken fajitas, which is what I love there, and I think I ate way too fast, and I got sick. That was not good. So I'm not in a hurry to do that again, although I will do it again. I will just be more mindful of eating slowly, and you know, I know that sometimes it takes a little bit of effort and, you know, trial and error, and it's just getting to know my tummy. So I'd like to take Taz on a walk. Maybe I'll do that before it gets dark. It's only 4:30, but it's getting kind of dark already, and I'd like to, maybe if I can miss the rain, I should probably look at that too. So that's something else I need to incorporate into my days, as well as some exercise. As one of you guys said, to move my booty. She said that that's what they call it. At least they moved their booty. And that is right. You just, at least I'm moving my booty. And making it an effort, you know, like not just, you know, moving as a routine as to what you do during the day, but making it a point to get exercise. So that's it. Well, I guess I am going to close this out now. I will talk with you guys soon, and I hope that you guys can join my party, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.